students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. And now in today's video, what we are going to do is we are just going to solve exercise 2.3, that is nothing but multiplication of fractions. Okay. So what is the question here? He given to us multiplication of fractions. Find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 3 by 5 and 4 by 3. So we'll start finding each and everything one by one. Okay. We'll start solving this question. Sorry, 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 of means into 1 by 4. And now there is no chance of cancellations for numerator and denominators, and we already excuse me, and we already know that denominators cannot be cancelled. So that is the reason we will multiply numerators and denominators. 1 1s are 1, 4 4s are 16. Now in the same way we will go for second one. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, 1 by 4 into 3 by 5, 1 into 3 by 4 into 5, 1 3s are 3, 4 5s are 20. Okay, sorry, next one, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3, 1 by 4 into 4 by 3, and 4 table will cancel, 4 1s are 4 1s are. Now multiply numerators and denominators. 1 into 1 by 1 into 3, that is nothing but 1 by 3. Now I'll solve here second one. 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, 1 by 7 into 2 by 9, so nothing to cancel here. 1 into 2 by 7 into 9. Now multiply the numerators. 2 by 63. Now in the same way, 1 by 7 of 6 by 5, 1 by 7 into 6 by 5, there is nothing to cancel here. 1 into 6 by 7 into 5, 1 6 are 6, 7 5s are 35. Now the last one of this, 1 by 7 of 3 by 10 is equal to 1 by 7 into 3 by 10, and nothing to cancel here. 1 into 3 by 7 into 10 is equal to 1 3s are 3, 7 10s are 70, 3 by 70. Now we'll move on to the next question, students. So our next question is multiply and reduce to lowest terms if possible. So here he given very clearly that in case of any cancellations will come, you can go for lowest terms. So now we will try to solve this first question. And here 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. So first we have to convert this mixed into improper by using the symbols into plus. 2 by 3 into 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 8 by 3. So there is no cancellations here. Now multiply numerators and denominators. 2 into 8 by 3 into 3, 2 8s are 16 by 3 3s are 9. Now second question, 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. So we all know that 7 table will come. 2 into 1 by 1 into 9. 2 1s are 2, 9 1s are 9. Now we'll move on to the next question. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. So 3 and 4, okay, whereas 6 and 4 will cancel. We'll go for cancellations. 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and there is nothing to cancel. 3 into 3 by 8 into 2, 3 3s are 9 by 8 2s are 16. Now in the same way, move on to the next question. 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. Nine by 5 into 3 by 5. So there is no cancellations here. 9 into 3 by 5 into 5. 9 3s are 27, 5 5s are 25. And next question is 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. So here also there no table will come here. 1 into 15 by 3 into 8 is equal to 15 ones are 15, 3 8s are 24. Because we can't see the questions, I'll write other answers side here. 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. So still no chance for cancellations. 11 into 3 by 2 into 10. 11 3s are 33 by 2 10s are 20. Now next question. 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. So we can check either numerator denominator or first denominator second numerator, first numerator second denominator. Like this crisscross also you can check. So there is no one table is common for this, so that is the reason we'll go for multiplication of numerators and multiplication of denominators. 12 4s are 48, 5 7s are 35. Okay students, now we'll move on to the next question. So what he given to us, for the fractions given below, multiply and reduce the product to lowest terms. Tell whether the fraction obtained is proper or improper. If the fraction obtained is improper, then convert it into mixed fraction. So here he is asking 3 things to find out. Okay, so let us start solving. First question, 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. So mixed fraction can be converted into improper. 2 by 5 into 5 4s are 20 plus 1. 21 by 4 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Whereas 21 and 5 will not get cancelled. So we'll multiply that. 21 1s are 21, 5 2s are 10. So it is improper fraction. He asked us in the question if it is improper, just try to convert into mixed. So 10 table 21 will not come, smaller than that 10 2s are 20. So we can write this one as 2 1 by 10. So this is what he asked here. Now second question, 6 2 by 5 into 7 by 9 into plus 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. So 9 and 32 will not go, 7 and 5 also will not go. So simply multiply numerators and denominators. 32 into 7 by 5 into 9. 1 second students. So 32 7s are 221 by 5 9s are 45. So again it is an improper fraction because my numerator is big when compared to denominator. 232 into 7, we'll do it once here. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 22, 224. So 45 table, 45 3s are 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 13. 45 4s are 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18. 45 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 22. 225. So that is the reason 45 4s are only will come. 180. 4 minus 0 4 and 2 minus 8 is not possible. Borrow 12. 12 minus 8 is 4 and 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 44 by 45. Okay students, now we'll go for next question. 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. Third question, 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. So it is a mixed fraction. We can convert this like this: 3 by 2 into 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 by 3. So as you all know that 3 table will go 3 1s are 3 1s are, and 2 table 2 1s are 2 8s are. So simply 1 into 8 by 1 into 1. 8 1s are 8 by 1. It is also we can write as 8. Now next question. 5 by 6 into 2 3 by 7. 5 by 6 into 2 3 by 7. Fourth question. 5 by 6 into 2 3 by 7. So mixed fraction can be converted into improper. 5 by 6 into 2 7s are 14 plus 3 17 by 7. 5 and 7 will not come, 6 and 17 will not come. So we will multiply numerators and denominators. 5 into 17 by 6 into 7. 17 5s are 85 by 6 7s are 42. It is improper fraction. Now we will divide 42 with 85. So 42 2s are 84 and 1 is the answer. We can write this in mixed fraction is 2 1 by 42. Now next question we will see 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. Sixth question 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. So mixed fraction can be converted into improper. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. 4 and 7 will not go, 17 and 5 also will not come, 5 and 4 will not come, 7 and 17 also will not come. Now multiply the numerators. 17 into 4 by 5 into 7. 17 4s are 68 by 5 7s are 35. So it is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. When numerator is greater than denominator, we will get improper fraction. So to convert improper fraction, we have to do division and then it is converted into mixed fraction. 35 table 68. So as we all know that 35 2s are 70, so that is the reason we will go for 35 1s are 35. 8 minus 5 is 3, 6 minus 3 is 3. So this can be written as 133 by 35. So this is about how to do. Okay students, you all understand today's class. Meet you tomorrow.